Hey you guys, this is Yarn Guys Cosplay and I'm back again with another Teach Me Thursday video. If you are new to my channel, Thursdays is where I sit down with you guys and explain a complicated stitch. So today we're going to go back to the basics because I had a couple people ask me to explain to them how to do a double crochet. For those in the US, double crochet is a stitch that is slightly bigger than single crochet. For my friends out in the UK, a double crochet I think is equivalent to your single crochet. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to start a chain stitch. So the first thing about double crochet is to start the edge, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And you're going to work into the third chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. The first thing you want to do is yarn over and then work your way into the third chain from your hook and then pull through one loop. Right now you should have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. If you don't, you either forgot to yarn over first before you pull through, or when you pull through you lost the initial yarn over. So go back and do it again if you don't have 3. If you do have 3, you're going to yarn over again and you're going to pull through 2 out of the 3 loops. Now you should have 2 loops left. You're going to yarn over a final time and pull through the last 2 loops. And this is your double crochet. You're going to practice this same stitch again. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over a final time, pull through the last 2, and you're going to repeat across. If you find yourself having a hard time, feel free to go a little bit slower with each step. Also, always remember that with crocheting, the 2 greatest skills you will need are patience and giving yourself grace. The first time anyone crochets, it always feels kind of weird and you fumble around and it's easy to get frustrated. But just remember to take a deep breath, take each step one at a time, give yourself patience, and practice the stitch again. You will eventually get better with practice and time. So if you notice here, double crochet is a little bit thicker, or a little bit taller I should say, than single crochet. It's about twice the size. If you are a tight crocheter, your stitches may look about the same height. I know some people can chain 1 and the double crochet is about half the height of mine. I am using a bigger hook, a 6mm hook, but in general a double crochet should be taller than your single crochet. So if you know how to do a single crochet, play around with the stitch and throw in a single crochet in the middle of your row. Throw in a couple just so you can see the difference. I'm going to do 2. Now you see here how there's a little dip. Single crochet, the 2 stitches over here are a little bit shorter than the double crochet that I made over here. And that's because it doesn't have that additional yarn over. When you do double crochet, the stitches are about twice the height. And you see the difference here? A lot of the more complicated stitches like shell stitches and popcorn stitches are just a combination of double crochets and single crochet working together to make a more complex stitch. So when you get the hang of switching between stitches, you can start working on more complex stitches. But go ahead and keep practicing your double crochet. I believe in you. You're doing great, sweetie. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you are following my tutorial and you want to show me what you've done, feel free to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I really want to see what you guys have done. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!